Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here this morning with a little haul from the Dollar Tree. And my desk is little junkies all stacked up on top of each other. But let me first get these out the way. I bought these little baskets. They're my favorite color, red, and I bought 7 of them. I already got some in use. I am using this for some dye organization. I've used them before, I just needed some more. Let's see, got the traditional foam mounting, you know, this one and the jot one. And I've gotten both. They didn't have any more jot, so I had to pick that one up. Just got a little pair of socks, a little thick ones for work, because they like to freeze us and stuff. Some AA batteries for my labeler. Flashcards. These are the lined ones, but it's a pack of 200. 3x5s for my grandson for some flashcards. And then I got these also for him. I usually pick up whatever new pack of words they have that I haven't seen. And these 3 I don't have. So these are these social study words. That's what it is. So like, you know, oh, did that wrong. And so it's 30 of those. And then these are 30 math words. And then these are just 30 adjectives. I haven't seen any adverbs. But anyway, so I usually pick those up. I like to play school, whether they do or not. I do. I picked up a couple frames for my office. Finally getting ready to move into my office. They're still working everything out, but the furniture should be here hopefully first week in December. So, but anyway, I wanted a couple little stuff to put on my new desk. So that's the photo frame with the little paper clip in there, so you can put a 4x6 in there. This one says the greatest gift is family, 4x6, and then the black one says family is everything. They both 4x6s. So I thought they'd be nice to put some family photos on my desk, because right now all I got is paper. It's tight. I don't have any space, but for papers. I did pick this spray adhesive up. I haven't seen this. It says Beacon. I don't know if it's by the same Beacon or not, but it says works on paper, wood, cardboard, and more. Multi-purpose adhesive spray, non-toxic, fast holding, and dries clear. So this pump tap water through the spray. Okay, that's the biggest cloud. Okay. Before gluing, pieces must be clean. Protect all work surfaces. First test on scrap pieces. Shake vigorously. Remove plastic lid. Spray in uniform thin coat of adhesive. Join spray materials together immediately. When finished, replace plastic lid. So I'm just curious if anybody ever tried that. But it's 2 ounces. It was $1. I figured I'd try it just to see. And it's so funny because I got this from the store. They had that nice craft owl. Craft owl isn't looking as pretty as it was. Kind of looking more like the Dollar Tree fashion. Although they do have some seasonal stuff up there, but a lot of the jewelry and stuff that they had is like gone. So I don't know, that they thinning that one right back out. I mean, the whole same owl, the same length of the whole owl is still there, but the scrapbooking supplies and the jewelry supplies, a lot of it was replaced by seasonal. So I don't know if they're gonna not put back all that other stuff. I don't know. Anyway, so be interesting to see. And how the other, I gotta go check out the other Dollar Trees too. So they downsizing their new scrapbook house. Interesting. Anyway, I told you that the guy from Tuesday Morning told me that they were filing bankruptcy and was supposed to be merging with Dollar General. We shall see. But anyway, these are some stickers, jots. I got these because they look metallic, and I thought these would be great for zine and ATCs and iCads, because they already give you that dimensional, they give you that industrial feel, and they also look like they've been inked, you know, how metallics and inks look, and I just thought it would add some dimension to one of those type of mixed media projects. So I got these different 4, so that's what they look like. I don't know if you can see the colors too well, but there's some greens in here. The sun is just shifting. It's early in the morning. This is Thursday. It'll probably be up on Friday. So, and it's got some reds in it. So that was my thinking for those. I like a little dimension. And so the last thing I got was just these pads of glitter paper. I use these primarily with my punches, but I use them with my dies as well. And they just have some different color combinations. Like this one is typical, the blue, the green, and the magenta or hot pink, whatever you want to call it. That's very typical. I've got some of those. I've even got this gold, well no, yeah. I think I've gotten this pink, red, and this gold before. But what I haven't gotten was with the black. So these two actually have, no, I've gotten this color, the gold, the red, and the green, silver and the green. This is the one I didn't have because I haven't had that red before. And then this one has the black in it, and then the pink, and then the gold. So they're just some glitter paper. You can use it any way you want in your projects. I haven't had a problem with the glitter coming off. And they punch well. And this one actually, you know, I didn't pay attention. These are adhesive back. So, anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.